I use these 5-star thumb knobs all over the shop, and this is a video on how I make them. I designed and printed a template from Adobe Illustrator. After cutting a piece of wood from scrap, I'll use that template to punch guide marks for the drill press. After drilling the 5 outer holes, I'll drill out a short decorative recess using the middle mark and a larger Forstner bit. Then I'll just drill out the outer circle with a hole saw. Here I'm just sanding the knob to a smoother feel. Now I'm drilling the hole for the threaded insert. Gorilla Glue makes a great wedging glue, so it helps secure this 1/4 threaded insert that I'm using here. And it's done. Thanks for watching my video.